And now we're happily recording. There we go, first person view. Click this on. Try and get it, there we go. That's better. All right, well, we'll see how this turns out. Never done the 360 before. I'm hoping the dead cat is working on the microphone, because it is awfully windy out here. It's getting up to 10, 15 miles per hour. All right, let's do a little tracking. It's in cinematic mode. I think just like the N1 controller, it defaults to normal. So I would always click over to normal and then click back to cinematic if that's what you want to be on, just to be on the safe side. All right, we're gonna do our active track. Here we go. Living on the wild side. Whoa there, Maverick. Top Gun reference for those of you out there, fans. All right. And I have it on set to auto detect objects, but it's not auto detecting me. So here we go. There we go. Active track and go. All right, so now my hands are off the RC remote, or at least they will be once I get going here. Again, grass is really hard, so I'm gonna do my best not to fall on my butt and not to run over my gimbal cover. That's one thing I always leave out at my landing pad where I take off. I always leave my gimbal cover out. Sometimes I put it in my pocket, but then I feel like I'm gonna crush it or something. And I always like to have the gimbal cover nearby so that before I take off, obviously I take the gimbal cover off, I place it there, and when I land and I'm done, I can put the gimbal cover back on and I'm good to go. So now we're gonna do the active track like I promised. Here we go. Come on, Onewheel, don't fail me now. Come on, Mini 3 Pro. Follow me, follow me. Whoa, I'm gonna try and get close to the camera. I know I'm pretty far away from where I took off. For the camera is, whoa, see, it's squishy out here. They just watered yesterday. All right, coming up on your left side, I think, for the camera, crossing. The drone is doing awesome. Thank you, Mini 3 Pro. I gotta name this guy. Maybe name him Froggy. Bug Eyes. I don't know, do you guys name your drones? I don't normally, but this one's definitely got a froggy look or a bug eye look. So if you name your drones, let me know in the comments down below. Woo! I'm gonna go on the bike trail later and record, and then I'll put that in a post, in a video, obviously, for my Mini 3 Pro comparison to the Air 2S tracking. So it's awesome. Thank you, Mini 3 Pro. Good job. Haven't fallen yet. Ah! Ah! Man alive. All right, I think that'll do. Woo! Go Mini 3 Pro. Look at that. Woo! Boom. The ship is landed, or the plane is landed. All right, loving it. Tracking solid. Good job. I did not record that, but that's okay. I'm gonna have plenty of recordings later. All right, let's land this baby. Let me know down in the comments below too if you guys are enjoying the surveys that I'm putting up on the community tab. If you guys are seeing those, if you're checking them out. I also posted a short when I did vertical video. That was at the same park here, just on the other side of the field. And also let me know in the comments below, or even in the community tab, what you guys are looking for, what videos you want to see from me. I am definitely going to be doing some step-by-step stuff, you know, 101 drone flying, how to, you know, prepare your drone, do a flight check, make sure everything's kosher before you take off, and then also tutorials on in-depth camera and flying techniques as well. So anyhow, let me know what you guys are looking for, and I'd love to serve. That's what we're here for. Let's land this baby. Oh, wrong way. Turbo. Ah! Well, didn't land on the mark that time. Oh well. What are you gonna do? All right, I think that's it for this live. Hope you guys enjoyed it.